A Walmart MoneyCard usually fails to load because of a network issue, an outdated app, account verification problems, or a delay between the funding source and the MoneyCard system, rather than a problem with the card itself. By the end of this video, you'll know how to figure out what's causing the issue and the fastest ways to get your MoneyCard working again. Start by checking your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then open the Walmart MoneyCard app again. A weak or unstable connection can prevent your balance and recent transactions from updating correctly. Next, confirm that you're signed into the correct MoneyCard account. If you've recently changed your password or logged in on another device, sign out completely, close the app, and sign back in. If you're trying to add money from a linked bank account, verify that the account information is correct and that the transfer has been authorized. Pending bank transfers can take time to appear, so a balance may not update immediately after you submit the request. If you're loading cash at a participating Walmart store, keep your receipt until the funds appear. If the cash reload completed successfully at the register but doesn't show in the app, the receipt gives customer support the transaction details they need to investigate. Another step is updating the Walmart MoneyCard app. Visit your device's app store and install any available updates. Older versions of the app can experience loading errors or fail to display account information correctly. If the app is already updated, clear its cache if you're using Android, or close and reinstall the app if the issue continues. This removes temporary files that may be preventing the app from loading properly. You should also check whether the MoneyCard service is experiencing temporary maintenance. If many users are trying to access the system at the same time, account updates and balance refreshes may be delayed. If you're transferring money from another debit card, verify that the source card hasn't expired and that the transfer wasn't declined by the issuing bank. A rejected funding source prevents the MoneyCard from receiving the money. If none of these steps work, contact Walmart MoneyCard customer support using the number on the back of your card. Explain how you attempted to load funds when the transaction occurred, and whether you received any confirmation or error message. The fastest fixes are checking your connection, verifying your account, updating the app, confirming your funding source, and contacting support if the funds still don't appear. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.